Welcome to Ride JBI. I'm JB. Today is the third ride report on the WP XACT Pro 6500 kit. In the first two videos, the forks were ridden at motocross tracks. The first track at Lake Elsinore and the second track was Fox Raceway. Today I went out to the Southern California hills to hit some jumps, ride some ridge lines, and ride a few single track trails as well. Days like this are really advantageous for testing because you get to ride the suspension in an element that it wasn't really set up for. And when you do that, it gives you a really good insight to how well the suspension can handle a variety of terrain and conditions. The WP 6500 Cartridge Kit is still at the same settings it comes from out of the box, and this is a motocross setup. The springs inside of the forks are 4.8 Newton meter, and the clickers have been returned to their baseline settings of compression at 12, rebound at 12, and preload at 2 clicks in. While riding today, it quickly became noticeable that the front forks were a little too stiff for the terrain that we were riding in when we were doing the ridge rides and some of the single track. This is to be expected out of a motocross fork, but it still worked pretty well. So if you're the type of rider that mostly does motocross and rides off-road on the occasion, this fork setup will still work pretty dang well for you. When hitting the jumps today out in the hills, the forks performed really well, as you expect they would being a motocross setting. Here is a picture of the dust lines on the fork tubes that give us a little bit of insight into how much travel I was using today while riding. It looks like we got pretty close to full bottom out, but that's where the bottoming cone comes into play, and it is very stiff in that region of the fork and very difficult to get a full use of travel unless you're hitting some really big jumps or having some really high impacts on the front end. The jumps we were hitting today were not that big and rather forgiving, which makes them very fun to do. Today was very beneficial in learning the range of terrain that the forks can handle right out of the box. While the front end was a little chattery and a little stiff on the small bumps during the off-road ride on the single track and ridge lines, it still worked well within reason. And I'm sure that if I had adjusted the clicker softer, it would have performed even better. Thank you for watching these videos. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. If you like your own set of suspension built by JBI, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you for watching.